Welcome back to the channel, guys. So guys, this morning I just have to do some work here. Guys, this snowstorm, I didn't even get to clean up from the last one. So right now I'm just, you know, gonna clean over here and do this, guys. So let me say, guys, there's a lot of things I see that we need to put an end to, you know. But that's for another video, guys. I'm just gonna be here cleaning up this little place for now, and that's a whole pile right there. That's about 24 inches of snow pack up right there in the driveway. So I'm gonna try using this, and if this can't work, then I'm gonna get the plow for it, because it's kind of getting it's kind of getting hard right now. Yes, guys, it's getting hard, and I need to have the driveway clear. And also I need to clean behind that car, go right down there, so I can get oil delivered, because they're not gonna walk in the ice to go to the oil tank. So I have to get it ready. I have to clean it out. There's a whole pile around here, probably about 28 inches. So I gotta clean that area. Guys, I really don't promise nobody I'm gonna be using this thing. Let me go get the plow. Gotta go get some gas. Right now, guys, I'm gonna see if I can get to the gas in my shed. I don't know about this. See how tall this snow is right here? This is a good amount of snow. It's kind of hard. It's free. The good thing about it, it's not blocking up. It's not blocking up right here for me to get inside. That's the beauty about it. But it's a lot in the middle right there. Gotta fix this shed in the summertime. All right, let me get some gas and get to my snow plow, so I can Guys, I'm getting tired of New England, to be honest. Just getting tired of this cold right now. Time to go somewhere warm. All right. So let me get out my plow. And guys, that snow that's too hard for me right now. Thing you take a toll on your back. And I'm not a spring chicken anymore. So let me take out this big boy here and then start it up. Let me see if she will start up on one crank, or I have to give it a boost. Yeah, let me see if I can get it started up on one crank. First, let me load it up, because I know you need gas. It's been sitting here, so I don't know if it's gonna start up in one go. But I got up this morning, I said, let me do some yard work. Let me clean the driveway, you know, and then I have some other stuff I want to deal with. Guys, this little tank here, it looks like it's small, but this little tank here take a lot of gas. Probably hold about a gallon. Yep. Probably hold a gallon inside it. So let's see if this thing is gonna start up one crank. Let me see. Prime. Let me prime it up. To give it 10 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's see how this thing works now. So one shot, guys, that's good. One shot.
Chris, guys, this is it.